All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am Lika. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve a high top twist style, but more of a natural look, to change this whack hairstyle or whatever this is on top of my head into something beautiful, okay? Alright, first and foremost, I'm going to co-wash my hair with my Garnier Fruitis Triple Nutrition Conditioner. Yes, I live by this, okay? Alright, and after I co-wash, I'm definitely going to deep condition my hair with Bella Curls Coconut Oil Deep Conditioner Mask. Yes, it is thick, and yes, it smells amazing. I love it. It works really good too. And I just got it at the dollar store. Very cheap, and it works really good, and it reconstructs really well too. Of course, I'm gonna section off my hair in little tiny sections and lather it in there really good because I want my hair to be very taken care of. I'm gonna take this comb right here, my clamps, and do my little sections because y'all know I do twist when I do my deep conditioners and when I co-wash. I didn't show them when I co-washed earlier. Matter of fact, I didn't even do them this time when I co-washed, but I'm definitely doing them when I deep condition this time. I don't know why. I just feel like it helps out more. It defines more at the end, and also it gives me more length with my hair because my hair shrinks tremendously. Trust me, y'all know. Y'all curly girls know our 4B, 4C sisters out there. Y'all know. But right here, I'm just slowing it down for y'all to see what I'm doing, which is twisting it. I'm doing it in big chunks because there's no point in just doing them in little sections, little cute sections, if I'm just gonna use it for deep conditioning.
And pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me.
Alright, and right here, I'm just gonna pin up this twist. So when I put my plastic cap on, everything will be out of my way and not sticking and not poking a hole through my cap. Alright, and right here I'm going to finish up where I started so I can go ahead and deep condition this head and go ahead and start with this style. Alright, now that I'm finishing up with the twist for my deep conditioner, I'm going to put on my plastic cap, which is really not a plastic cap. It's really just like a plastic bag from something I got in a package. But either way, it's going to work. It's going to work, okay? But yes, getting ready for my deep condition. And yes, we're going to get started. First of all, before I go get this deep conditioner, look how fine I am with this plastic cap on my head, sis. But anyway, after the deep condition, it is time to start. First, I'm gonna use my vitamin E oil and my grapeseed oil to coat on my hair first. Okay, these are most important, very most important for my hair routine. I stand by this, I stay by this, and I'm gonna keep doing this. I gotta have my oils, got to. Oh, look at my Bubba right there. Look at my baby. He always want to be in my little videos, but it's okay because he just makes them perfect. Alright, next I will be using my Curl Defining Detangler by Not Your Mother's. I got this in my Onyx box. Yep. I done made a video about my Onyx box. Y'all gonna have to check it out when I post it because love. It's the best ever. But anyway, yes, I just lathered that through my section. Lather it through my section and detangle it because detangling is definitely important if you want definement in any way. All right, and also using my Jamaican black castor oil as well, extra dark. I'm so silly. But anyway, yes, put my oil in there because first of all, y'all, in a minute I'm about to be doing a protective style and I need this hair to grow. Next, I'm gonna use my African shea butter as well. That's my cream. I'm using the LOC method, if you guys can't tell. This is my cream that I use. I feel like this gives me moisture. And plus, y'all know African shea butter has vitamin E in it. So I definitely use that as a cream. I need to use something else, but it's whatever. And next, I'm gonna use my twirling custard by Creme of Nature for my twist out. I didn't use my Eco Styler gel this time. I should have, but I wanted to see how good this curling custard was gonna do. So we gonna see. All right, after you lather up your section, you just get your two strands. You get your two strands and you twist them up, baby. Make sure you twist them precisely and nicely because it will all turn out so beautifully when you do it right in your style. See, I'm going down and just like, just doing it in a, neat way. Even though my sections are neat, they're rugged and ragged, but my twists are neat. And also at the end of my twist, I do bantu knots to seal my ends. I found out that this saves my ends so much. It saves my ends, okay? All right, and it retains so much length because that breakage at the end of your hair is so bogus, but we gotta find a way to save them. So this is my little way to save them when I have my styles in. And I also had the twist out in for like 5 days, y'all, after I was done. So yes. All right, and right here I'm gonna show y'all again how I twisted them, just so y'all can see. Alright, this is my finishing product of my twist. They're nice and moisturized. Trust me, that white residue is gonna go away because your hair gonna suck it up. Trust me. Especially mine. But I'm just gonna go to sleep and wait till the next day. Alright, next 5 days. Next 5 days, I'm getting ready to take this twist out. I just felt like, I didn't feel like taking it out the next morning. I just put my wrap in my head. I put my wrap on my head for them 4 days and I was good. But this oil I'm using right now is coconut oil. I always take out my twist or whatever I'm doing with coconut oil because it's less friction, less frizziness, you know what I'm saying? And it's just good for you to have oil coated on your hair. What are you doing? You gotta put the oil on there, sis. Right, you see how it's in slow motion? You take out that twist with care. I'm telling you, you take this twist out with care, baby, because this is very important. Take it out and look how beautiful it will come out, okay? But yeah, seriously though, when you take your twist out, take them out with care. When you separate them, take them out with care because we all know that's very important for the end style or for whatever you want to, attain with this look. Oh yeah, and just in case y'all wondering who I'm talking to, I'm talking to my sis. She came and visited me this day. She came and visited me when I was doing this video, and I was so excited. I love her so much. She's so supportive. You know what I'm saying? So supportive. All right, and right here, I am separating, but I'm not doing it with care, y'all. Look, y'all just, but when you do it, baby, you separate it with care. Separate it with care. But this is how I separate my hair. But it be a little bit more gentle than I'm doing right now. Even though it's in slow motion, I can tell I'm not doing gentle enough. But yes, I'm just separating those twists, you know what I'm saying, to give you more volume. Well, to give me more volume in my hair. And afterwards, I'm going to style it. Alright, take that Jamaican black, coat it on your hands, and get them roots to fluff. Oh my gosh, especially the way that I had did it in these triangular sections. It's gonna be harder to get those roots to fluff. That's why usually when you do twist outs, your sections are smaller, way smaller than I did them today. Also, what I'm doing with this twist out, since this is a high top twist out, I'm going to put bobby pins around the around my head, like around the part that I want to look like a high top with, and give the illusion that I have a high top with my afro. Yes, almost like a tapered look. I think I might get tapered. I don't know, guys. Y'all comment below and see if I should get my hair tapered. I really was thinking about it, but since I'm trying to grow my hair out, I don't know. Y'all let me know what I should do. Y'all let me know.
Heartbeat make me feel young again. I don't eat, can't sleep past 9 a.m. Heartbeat.
Alright, and for the front part of my hair, I just bobby pinned that down to get these bangs I got right here. I love, when I do this, I love my bangs. It just, I don't know, it just structures my face really good because I have a little chunky face. It's okay. I love my little chunky face, but my bangs just make me look so adorable, and I love it. And I just love bangs with natural hair. That's just so lit to me. I love it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is basically the finishing product of the high top twist out illusion that I have given. Ladies and gentlemen, this works for guys and girls. Trust me, all right? Yes, I love it. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on my accounts, y'all. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. I love you guys. All right, and don't forget to share, okay? Bye.